Botpress AI versus ChatGPT. Which AI chatbot tool wins? Choosing the right AI chatbot can transform how you engage customers without complex setup or generic responses. Botpress offers open source customization, while ChatGPT delivers advanced conversational AI. Botpress AI and ChatGPT are leading chatbot platforms with distinct approaches. Botpress is an open source framework focused on customization and control, while ChatGPT is a powerful language model by OpenAI designed for natural, versatile conversations without deep technical setup. Botpress AI is an open source conversational platform designed for developers and businesses seeking full control over chatbot behavior. It works by allowing users to build and deploy chatbots using modular components, including natural language understanding, dialogue management, and integrations. Botpress excels in customization, enabling tailored workflows and on-premises deployment for data privacy. Its visual flow builder simplifies conversation design, while its extensible architecture supports advanced use cases. However, Botpress requires technical expertise to set up and maintain, making it less accessible for non-developers. It may also involve more upfront configuration compared to plug-and-play solutions. The platform is ideal for companies prioritizing data security, deep customization, and integration with existing systems. Users who want to fine-tune chatbot logic and maintain ownership of their data will find Botpress a strong fit. According to official documentation from Botpress at botpress.com, this solution empowers teams to create scalable, adaptable chatbots without vendor lock-in. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a state-of-the-art conversational AI model designed to generate human-like text based on context. It operates through a cloud-based API that businesses and developers can integrate into chatbots, customer support, and content generation. ChatGPT's strength lies in its advanced natural language processing capabilities, enabling it to understand and respond to a wide range of topics with fluid, coherent dialogue. It requires minimal setup and no coding for basic use, making it accessible to a broad audience. However, ChatGPT is a general-purpose model, which means it may lack domain-specific customization without additional fine-tuning or prompt engineering. Data privacy depends on OpenAI's cloud infrastructure, which might not suit all organizations. ChatGPT is ideal for those seeking quick deployment of conversational AI with high language fluency and broad knowledge, such as customer service bots or interactive assistants. OpenAI's official site, openai.com/chatgpt, highlights its ability to deliver natural, engaging conversations with minimal technical overhead. Comparing Botpress AI and ChatGPT highlights key trade-offs. Botpress offers deep customization and data control, suited for businesses needing tailored workflows and on-premises hosting. It fits organizations with technical resources aiming for precise chatbot behavior and privacy. ChatGPT excels in ease of use and conversational quality, ideal for rapid deployment and broad applications without heavy configuration. In real-world scenarios, Botpress works for complex customer service systems integrated with internal databases, while ChatGPT shines in general support and interactive chat where natural language understanding is paramount. Botpress demands more setup time and developer involvement, whereas ChatGPT provides instant access to powerful AI, but with less control over data and model behavior. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize customization and security or ease and conversational sophistication. Choose Botpress AI if you need a customizable, secure chatbot platform with full control over data and workflows, especially for complex business needs. Opt for ChatGPT when you want advanced conversational AI with minimal setup and broad language capabilities. It's perfect for quick deployment and engaging user experiences without heavy technical demands. Both platforms excel, but your choice depends on customization versus ease of use.